Good morning YouTube, my name is Sweet from Bytes, and today I'll be showing you the ultimate budget gaming PC under $850 or 13,300 Rand in South Africa. Let's get started. So starting off, we'll be using an upgrade kit from Evetech. It is the Ryzen 5 3600 X470 Gaming Plus upgrade kit for 6,799 Rand. It features the AMD Ryzen 5 3600 CPU. The 3600 is a 6-core 12-thread CPU, a true and tried CPU with a base of 3.6 GHz and a boost of 4.2 GHz. It also comes with an amazing and well-known stock cooler for cooling. For our motherboard, we have the MSI X470 Gaming Plus Max ATX AM4 motherboard. X470 is the predecessor to X570. Built on everlasting quality, it is better than B450 and definitely an excellent board for our 3600 and for your first budget gaming PC. For our RAM, we have a dual channel kit of Clev Crust XR RGB 16GB of 3600 MHz desktop game memory. The RAM modules are dual channel, it is 16GB and it is RGB with a speed of 3600 MHz. It is a amazing sweet spot for our AMD Ryzen 5 3600 and for your gameplay experience as well. Next, for our storage, I chose the Mushkin Helix our 250GB M.2 NVMe SSD for 719 Rand at Wootware. It is a very fast budget NVMe SSD read speeds of up to 2010 megabytes per second and a write speed of up to 1250 megabytes per second. 250 gigabytes, while on the low end, is sufficient for a Windows installation and a couple of games installed on it. One can also expand their storage in the future with an additional hard drive. So, for our GPU, yes, I managed to find a suitable GPU for our budget of $850 and under. The GPU I chose is the one and only NVIDIA GTX 1650 with 4GB of GDDR6 VRAM. The one in this build is the Palette GeForce GTX 1650 Gaming Pro OC Edition for 4,349 Rand at Wootware. The GTX 1650 is an excellent budget GPU and can run most games such as Fortnite, CSGO, and many modern gaming titles at decent to excellent settings. Next, for our PSU, for our power supply to power our system, I chose the Gambius Helios E1500 watt power supply for 599 Rand at Evetech. 500 watts is more than enough for our budget load and sufficient to power our GTX 1650 with some room for upgrades in the future. With its 80+ white rating, it is also efficient, reliable, and really good for your electricity bill as well, especially during these times in South Africa with load shedding and such. Finally, to complete our build, the PC case. PC case I chose was the one and only Cooler Master Masterbox B600R windowed case at Takealot for an unboxed price of 598 Rand with free shipping. The Cooler Master case is a great starter case and it comes with one pre-installed rear 120mm fan as well. So for our total cost of the build, the entire build costs under $850 or 13,300 Rand for a whopping total of 13,109.99 or $841.34, give or take. So with the end of the video, I hope you liked it. Please leave a like, comment, and do click on that subscribe button. It helps a lot, and as always, take care and stay safe. Goodbye.